Hi, it's Michael, and today we're going to answer a question from Paul Presitano from the East Hamptons in New York. His question is about the height of the bracket. The bracket, the stand, the foot. We have three sizes. We got a 10 centimeter or 4-inch one, we got a 20 centimeter or 8-inch one, and we got a 30 centimeter or a 12-inch one. Now, what you have to know is that originally we designed these boards with a 20 centimeter bracket, 8-inch, and there's a reason to this. There are two criteria that you have to take into account. First thing is, how easy is it to get on the board? If you take a 20-inch bracket, you have to add 3 inches for the thickness of the board, which is still an easy step for elderly people to get on it, for children to get on it, and still have enough space underneath the board to swim lanes. If you go lower, you will have an obstruction in your pool, and this is not nice. If you go higher, it will be more difficult to get on it. You can't go higher than that for the stabilization of the bracket. There is a solution that if you want to go higher, you can put, for example, a 8-inch 20 centimeter pedestal and then put the bracket on there. So you will have an extra step, it will be easy to get on it, and you will gain in height. I think that's it. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, so for me, likes and subscriptions are secondary. But very important is comments. Please give comments so we can make this channel better.